The weather in New York has been big trash. It's been rainy, cold, dark. We've been going through it, coming out of one of the worst winters that New York has ever seen in like 10 years. But this week, things did start to take a turn for the better, which means I started putting together my spring hat rotation. I'm gonna be showing y'all what I've been rocking this week. This is like the last 7 days of hats right here. And I'm gonna be showing y'all some new pickups as usual, starting with the hats that I wore recently. Now, last weekend, I pulled out this royal blue Knicks hat. It's a nice two-tone royal blue on the crown, black visor, black button on top, lots of pewter metallic in that All-Star Game side patch. Very, very good Knicks hat, and I paired this up with a newer pair of sneakers, the Melita Baumeister Nike Vomero Premium. I'll go ahead and throw the pictures on the screen so y'all can see what I was rocking. But yeah, this made a tough combo. The whole outfit was tough, in my opinion. But if y'all not following me on Instagram, definitely do that. So yeah, starting out last week with this one right here. Next up, we got a good mesh joint. This is a hat that I designed with Hat Club. So two-tone chrome white on the crown, brown visor, green button on top. I'm gonna give y'all a look at that tricolor Mets logo. You got the green, the pink, the gold. 50th anniversary Mets side patch. Take a look at that baddie. Very, very good hat if I do say so myself. I wear this one quite often. I feel like it always looks good. Summer, winter, spring, doesn't matter. The colors hit all the time. It also goes with a lot of different sneakers, but I think this week I wore it with the Matcha Dunks. I'll go ahead and throw that on screen so y'all can see what that combo was looking like. A lot of y'all slept on this one. Let's talk about it. Watercolor camo, pinky. Got the Yankees joint. Good, clean side patch, just a traditional Yankee side patch, 1999. Flat batterment on the back. That watercolor camo is tough. Let me know in the comment section if y'all did pick up something from the watercolor camo collection that Hat Club did like last year. I want to say it was last year. Next up, we have an absolutely top tier crown. This is the Lavender Fields Seattle Mariners. This was designed by Brett, not an influencer, in collaboration with Hat Club. Very, very good crown. I wish that I was able to have some of the other hats that were a part of this pack. Lavender UV, some good metallics on the front logo and the side patch. This was just a super well done pack. These blue ones, the green ones, the whole pack was just fire. Absolute fire. I wore this with the Notre Dunk highs. They both kind of have like that bluish lavender purple hue going on, so I thought that was a really good combo, but y'all let me know what y'all think. I don't remember what Hat Club pack this hat was a part of. I remember that they were all brown with the red UV, and they shock dropped on a day that a different pack was also dropping, so it was like one pack that was scheduled and this was a shock drop. So I grabbed this from the website, and it's a very, very good hat. Like, this is one of my favorite crowns. I always pull this out when I can. Like, if brown will fit the bill and red will fit the bill, I'm rocking this hat. I love the little bit of olive in that big 99 side patch along with the gold. It's just super nicely done. However, I do not remember the name of the pack. So if you remember, down below in the comment section, sound off. An easy combo that I always go back to for this hat is the Travis Scott reverse mocha ones. So that's exactly what I wore with this hat. If you know, you know. If you've been around for a while, you might remember. I had to put this hat on ice for a while because I was wearing it that much. Like, I was wearing it in almost every video. This is the J-Tips and Hat Club Cubs, and I did have to go ahead and put this on ice for a while, for a couple of years, like 2 years at least. So yeah, now it's back in the rotation. It's back for spring. This is gonna make some great fits. Now we're on to the new stuff, some hat mail that's come in, starting with the hat that I actually wore today, this Phillies joint. So I didn't wear the Yankees that's on my head. I wore this Phillies joint with the outfit I have on. If you haven't seen it, go check me out on Instagram. You can see the full fit. So this is like a mauve kind of muted pink color on the crown, black visor, black button on top. Get into that Phillies front logo, white on the interior, brown on the outline. Spring training side patch. I don't have one of these side patches, and I really like what Hat Club did here. Kind of has like a Miami Vice feel. Super clean, the different shades of pink in the background for the sunset. the black and brown on the tree, flat baddie on the back, brown on one side, white in the middle, pink on the opposite corner, gray UV with the black sweatband. That mauve color on the crown is super similar, if not the same, as the mauve hits on the Joe Fresh Goods 992 Aged Well. So I paired these up today, but again, go check out my Instagram to see the full fit. And now that I showed y'all the close-ups, I can go ahead and put this right back on. I had to make sure this Diamondbacks came home. I knew that I wanted a hat to match those Deshaun Jordan Nike SB Dunks that had recently dropped, and this was just like perfect timing, and it matches so well. The purple on the crown, black visor, black button on top. Let's get into the details of that front logo. White on the interior, teal outline, and then there's a greater copper outline. The copper hits with the purple, perfect match for that shoe. Now I just got to get my hands on the shoe. 1998 inaugural season, snakehead side patch, lots of metallics in there. A little bit more of that teal. Flat baddie on the back. You got the teal, white, and copper. Tonal flag, gray UV, black sweatband. I know not everybody likes the upside down front logos, but it's never bothered me. I have quite a few in the collection at this point, and yeah, it's not something that I'm gonna miss a hat over. But y'all let me know. Y'all think the upside down front logos are corny? You rocking with them? I'm rocking with them. I know we talked about hat hooks and hat inspirations recently on the channel, and this hat had a pretty interesting hook. It's inspired by an anime that I personally really like. Maybe y'all enjoy it too. This came from the Hat Club Slayer collection, so it was inspired by Demon Slayer. If you haven't figured it out already, you got the yellow crown, black visor, black button on top. Very clean Atlanta Braves front logo, and it has some extra embroidery. The little lightning bolts around it on both sides. Make sure I give y'all a good look at the extra embroidery. The fitted specifically is inspired by Zenitsu, a character from Demon Slayer who is like constantly falling asleep. So let's get into that side patch. It's black, white. There's a little bit of metallics in there. Some gold metallics on the outline and underneath the World Series text. There's also like a little bit of a darker yellow or maybe even an orange in there. I'm pointing to it so y'all can see it better because it's like just the slightest bit of color. Flat batterman, white in the middle, black on one side, gold in the opposite corner. Gray UV, black sweatband. Lots of gray UVs, black sweatbands today. Of course, the first combo that came to mind was the Tokyo 5s. That yellow, like, come on. This is gonna go crazy. I can't wait to pair these up and wear them together. Just gotta find the rest of the fit now. But yeah, this is gonna look super cold. Now, for whatever reason, if I don't want to wear my Tokyo 5s that day, I can also go with some Air Forces. This is the West Indies Air Force, the yellow one. So this is like a university gold, I think. So it's not as good of a match as the Tokyo 5s, but it'll do the job. Last but definitely not least, because this is probably one of my favorite Hat Club collections from this month, it is Aquamarine, and I have the Brooklyn Dodgers. So that is a teal color on the crown. It's super nice. Very nice. White Brooklyn Dodgers front logo. No outline or anything, just straight up clean Brooklyn Dodgers front logo. Black visor, and I think that button is actually navy. I could be bugging. I do have two very bright lights in my face while I film these videos, but I think that button is navy. 1942 All-Star Game side patch, or the poker chip side patch if people have come to start calling it. There's some red, metallic blue, white, flat batterman on the back, white in the middle, metallic blue on one side, metallic red in the opposite corner, white New Era flag, gray UV, black sweatband. I don't have a combo for this one yet, so if y'all know any sneakers that would make a good pairing with this hat, sound off in the comment section because I'll definitely give that a look, because I want to wear this soon. There's still like 2 full weeks left of April, but so far it's been a really good, strong month of fitted hats. Y'all let me know what y'all been copping down below in the comment section. As always, if you enjoyed today's video, like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love. I really appreciate it. Go check out the Hat Club website if you like what you saw today, and I'll check y'all out in the next one.